I'm going to show you how I draw up the features of the puppet's body. We're going to do this for two reasons. The drawing will act as a guide for carving the face, including the eyes and beak. But it will also act as a guide for painting the body later on. For this video, you'll need the reference sheet in your carving kit. However, before we start drawing, let's clean up the body first. At this point, you need to make sure you're happy with your carving before you move on. Now's your chance to rectify any messy bits. Once you've done that, you can remove the high points. Remember the pencil lines running down the centre? These can now be removed with your whittling knife. You want to remove any saw marks that might still be there along the ridge. You can leave the beak as it is, as we'll be carving that shortly. As before, use the whittling hold. Carve with very gentle strokes. You only want to remove the surface layer. When you're ready to start drawing up, get your reference sheet and find the profile design. Take a look at the lines that make up the design of the swallow. These are the lines we're going to imitate on the wood. I should mention at this point, this reference sheet is meant as a guideline only. Don't worry about matching the design exactly. It's not a rule book. I'm going to start by drawing the central line back in. This might seem odd as we've just removed it, but removing it also meant removing any saw marks and making sure the surface was smooth. Now that the surface is smooth, we can mark in the colour lines, ready for painting later. Do this on both sides. You'll see that I've also cleaned up the high points on the belly and back. Next, I'm going to draw in the line that runs under the swallow's chin. This line follows on from the crease in the back of the neck. Now that those two key lines are in place, the rest is easier to map out. This next bit is more fiddly, and also quite hard to describe. Watch what I do, and I hope you get the idea. You can skip through the video at your own pace, or you can skip ahead to see the same process with the goldfinch. Once you've finished drawing up the swallow body, it should look something like this. Keep watching for a speedy overview of the goldfinch body. After you've drawn up the goldfinch body, it should look something like this. Now you're ready to carve the face.